How to set a song as ringtone on Android phone. What is up guys? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn and select any song as your ringtone in your Android device. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open it up on your settings. So on your settings, find the sound and vibrations option. You'll find ringtones over here. Tap on ringtone. So currently I've selected this ringtone over here. Now these are all of the system provided ringtones. Now if you want to add any song as your ringtone, you can find it up top on custom. So these are the things that I have added. Let me just go ahead and delete all of them for now. So if you want to add a custom ringtone, tap on the plus icon right over here, and then it will directly open up your audio library. Now you can select any song you want. So I'll just go ahead and select this one right here. And then once you've done that, once the song starts playing, you can tap on done at the top right. Then you can just select this, increase the volume a bit. Since I'm on do not disturb, let me just go ahead and change it. So that's how you can just select any song on your Android device as its ringtone. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. If so, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.